Alright, y'all, you already know what time it is. We about to make this special chunk for y'all, cause I ain't been on in a brick. Today we're gonna be making cereal. Stoner cereal. You already know, gotta get the water out for the ice cream. Alright, we're gonna need some big ass scoops, nigga. Too small. You already know what time it is. Jeez. Yo, fall, bitch. Alright, you gotta flatten it out, make room for the syrup. Yeah, man, since we don't have no teddy milk, gotta do with almond milk, vanilla, you feel me? Not that cow puss shit, bitch. You already know. Now we bring little boy back, bring the little boy back. Ooh! You feel the ice cream at the bottom.